Which of the following does not describe the word deliberate? A. Done consciously and intentionally. B. Deny one's freedom and or rights. C. Engage in long and careful consideration. Or D. All of the above describe deliberate. Deliberate can have more than one meaning and more than one pronunciation. A. Done consciously and intentionally describes deliberate, while C. Engage in long and careful consideration describes deliberate. Because they're spelled exactly the same, we can apply both pronunciations to our given word. Only B, to deny one's freedom and or rights, doesn't describe deliberate in any pronunciation. Rather, it's describing what could be considered the opposite of liberate, as in deliberate, which isn't a word in itself, but we can understand this is what the clue is describing. Because it does not describe the word deliberate, which is what our question is asking, we can mark B, deny one's freedom and or rights, as our final answer.